Grade 10. Unit 5 Workbook. Reading. Page 34. Types of racing. Formula 1. Formula 1 racing is one of the most competitive sports in the world. Although many people think they're good drivers, the racers who take part in Formula 1 take driving to a whole new level. They travel at breakneck speeds, often reaching over 350 km/h, driving around courses that are often hard to navigate. The cars they drive are incredibly expensive and need constant work and repairs. The driver is backed up by a team of up to 20 engineers, mechanics, and specialists, so Formula 1 drivers need to be able to work well with other people and have great interpersonal skills. However, when they are racing they can only rely upon themselves and their own judgment, so they also have to be independent and sure of themselves. Formula 1 racing, despite all the safety precautions, can also be very dangerous because the speed of cars is so fast and they race so close together. Formula 1 drivers need to be very courageous, very aware, and always determined to win. Marathon racing. Marathon racing is named after a famous battle in Marathon, Greece in 490 BCE. After the battle, a messenger ran 42 km from the battlefield to Athens, and this is why the race is the distance it is today. Marathon runners are some of the hardest working athletes in the world. Although sprinters often receive more recognition, marathon runners have to work just as hard as them, and they run for hours, not seconds. Although many marathon runners have personal trainers, they aren't allowed to assist the runners whilst they are racing. Marathon runners need to have an extraordinary level of willpower, incredible amounts of stamina and tremendous endurance, just to keep going over the 42 km. They are often quite introverted as marathon racing is such an individual sport. Marathon racing is not for glory seekers, as marathon runners receive less media attention than other athletes, such as sprinters, cyclists, and swimmers. Marathon runners are often very modest because of this, even though they are completely committed to their event.